guys, as you know, we gotta file around the cuticle area, do the prep so that our nails last longer. And I have this electric drill from Amazon. I can list it down below for you guys. But yeah, we're filing around the cuticle area, and then we add the dehydrator. This is from Modelones, also from Amazon. And then we have the primer, which makes our nails be sticky so that the gel can last longer. Once that is done, we move on to measuring the nails. I have these nail tips that are for like small thin fingers, so I just measure that they cover my whole nail bed. And then we apply a small drop of this gel, and we start applying it from the cuticle all the way down to our nail, and make sure that we don't go over our natural nail so that they last longer and we don't have all that extra gel around our nails. We basically repeat the same process for all of our nails. Again, making sure that we don't go over our natural nail. Also, like, it would look very weird if we have that extra gel and be super uncomfortable. But once that is done, we start filing our nails. I keep the same shape and the length of the nail tips. I'm just making sure that they're rounded and I don't have like any extra weird edges. Now going back to the electric gel, I file around the cuticle area again in case I did have any extra gel, like around this nail I had some leftover. And then we move on to designs, and I apply this pink nude-ish gel color as my base, and I always do 2 layers of that and cure it in between. As for the design, we're doing some French nails on most of them except the middle finger that we're going to be applying some stickers. I've been obsessed with that. It makes the nail designs look a lot more clean and super easy to do. So we're applying 2 black coats in the middle finger and then cure it with a top coat so that it covers in stickers. And once that is done, we move on to the ring finger, and we're doing a spider web. You can also do stickers, but I kind of want to just do it freehand, so we're doing like half of the spider web on that nail. And again, I apply a top coat on all my nails, cure them, and we end up with some cuticle oil so our nails are healthy. And that is it for this video. I hope that you guys like it.